Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all you tech enthusiasts out there. We'll be taking a closer look at the Cable Matters 100-pack Cat6 pass-through RJ45 connectors. First, let's talk about the packaging. These connectors come neatly packed in a sturdy container with a screw-on lid and an integrated handle. This makes it convenient to carry them to your job site and keeps them organized. Now, let's dive into the connectors themselves. They are designed for terminating unshielded twisted pair cables and are compatible with both solid and stranded cables. You can use them with 23-26 Aruban Florence round or flat stranded wire, with 0.97 to 1.07 mm insulated conductors, and an outside diameter of up to 5.8 mm. What sets these connectors apart is their pass-through design. It simplifies the cable termination process. You just feed the wires through the openings, ensuring they're in the right order, and then crimp the connector. It's a faster termination process with less effort. These connectors are rated for Category 6 performance, making them perfect for gigabit Ethernet networks. They are also backward compatible with Cat5e cables. Plus, the gold-plated contacts on the connectors ensure superior transmission and resist corrosion. The Cable Matters 100 pack is perfect for large projects or multiple smaller ones. You can create multiple patch cables in the perfect length for various applications, such as routers, patch panels, or workstations. And let's not forget the convenient jar storage container. It not only protects the connectors but also keeps them organized until your next project. Before you make your purchase, remember to check compatibility. These connectors are designed for use in the US, so if you're outside the US, you might need an adapter or converter. In conclusion, the Cable Matters 100-pack Cat6 pass-through RJ45 connectors offer an efficient and cost-effective solution for your Ethernet cable termination needs. With their pass-through design and compatibility, they make the job easier for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your comments below. And of course, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the best tech products out there. That's it for today's review. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. See you in the next one. Feel free to modify and personalize this script to your liking, and make sure to showcase the product's features and benefits clearly in your video.